I'm Frank Mitchell. I'm the CEO of SP Energy Networks. I personally wanted to share the latest update and everything we're doing to repair damage caused by Storm Arwen and to get customers back on supply. We're really sorry to any of our customers affected by the power outages since the storm hit on Friday evening. We know this is extremely difficult for our customers and we're doing everything we can to restore power, complete repairs and ensure all of our customers and communities are safe as quickly as it's safe to do so. Storm Arwen has been one of the worst storms we've experienced. Wind speeds up to 95 miles per hour have caused some of the worst damage we've seen on our network in decades. As you can see, much of the damage has been caused by fallen trees and other wind-blown debris, and our field staff are also dealing with impacted road networks, making access to some of our repairs even harder, and in turn meaning that some of our customers are today still without power. We know this means that some customers may be facing another evening without power, and we're really sorry. We understand how distressing this can be. We're also aware that it's taking some time for customers to get through on both our 105 phone line and social media channels. We're incredibly sorry that it's taking longer than we'd like. We know how frustrating this can be, but want to assure you that we're doing all we can to respond as quickly as possible. Since Friday, we've received more than 97,000 phone calls and had more than 600,000 hits on our website. We are prioritising calls to the most vulnerable customers, especially those registered on our Priority Services Register, to offer additional help and support where we can and have so far made more than 3,400 outbound calls. Thank you for your patience and support as we continue to work through this difficult time. Please be assured we are doing everything we can to get you back on as quickly as possible, whilst keeping you and our team safe. Thank you.